Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We are back on the job, and today we are going to complete the living rooms. So, as you can see, we've already been hard at work. We are just completing the second coat of gloss, or satin wood, should I say, in this room, and we also have fitted 6 spotlights in here as well. So, we have lights. So, today's plan is to complete the lighting in the second room as well, and also to do the gloss work in that room as well. So hope you guys enjoy the transformation so far, and soon we'll be laying flooring, so we're getting there. But tomorrow we should be in the hallway, and we're going to complete the hallway, and then next week we'll probably be back to lay the flooring. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and we see you at the end. So that's us done today, guys. We have done one coat of gloss in here, so we will hit the other coat tomorrow. We've done the second coat of gloss in the other living room at the back. And we've also got lights, 9 in here and 6 in here. So we're fully lit downstairs. So that's it for us today. We're off home. So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a like and we'll see you back tomorrow.